Hey guys, let's take a look on this white noise machine for baby. You can see that this is how it looks like from top of it. And this is rechargeable. It comes with the cable and the charger, which is really great. And you can see that from top of it, you can switch to any mode that you like. With this one over here, you can change the color. There's lots of different colors. And also turn it off. Let's turn it back on. And with this one, you can change the brightness. And this one over here, you can see that it has the timer function. It has different mode. And this means you will not set up the timer. And this one means you'll turn off within an hour. And this one is actually Bluetooth mode, so which is really great because you can use it to play music.
Bluetooth.
And there is, of course, this is the white noise machine. Of course, it comes with like default music. I really like the one with the natural, this one. The drops of the water, the sound of it. Really calm your mind. Kind of natural sounds. The sound of the wind and the heart beating sound. And so sound of the water. Different type of water. And with a bird in it. And you can see that this is different kind of wave, the sound of it. Sound of the cricket. And also, of course, you can change and adjust the volume by press the button over here. You can lower or increase the volume. You can long press. Let me show you the user manual that comes with this product. You can see that it's rechargeable, which is really great. You don't need any batteries for this device. And this one is multi-language. It has the Chinese version and the English version in the user manual. Like here, it shows how you can turn it off with a button over here. It also comes with the charger and the cable, which is really great because lots of the device doesn't come with the charger itself. And here it demonstrates and shows the voice and that we just went over, the natural, the waves. It has the sound of the rain and different rhythm. This one has the heart beating. And this is how you control the time. And it has for the light. You can switch to different color. You can change the brightness. Of course, you can switch to the Bluetooth mode and play music from your device. This is the spec in different country. Let's lower down the volume a little bit. See that this is the type C Connector is the Type-C, which is the standard format of current electronic devices. See that this is how it looks like from the packing. Like it has the 20 sound effects. It has 4 different type of mold, different color, right? A red, green, and blue. Has different timing. It has the high quality of the sounds. And here is the spec. This is what type of music it provides. You can see that it has over 20 of the sound. Sometimes baby will like the heart beating because this makes them feel they're still in the womb. Make them feel really safe. Let's switch to the sound of the wire. So change the color. I really like the red one. It's dimmer. Brightness a little bit. This one feels like you're outside and doing some camping. The crickets making the sounds. The sounds of the ocean. Sounds of the raining. Okay, that's it for today's demonstration. Hope you like this product.